If you want to make more than bread in that Dutch oven, then I highly recommend my Dutch oven spare ribs recipe. For the dry rub, combine brown sugar, ground coffee, cocoa powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and salt. Whisk and set aside. Use paper towel to pat down the ribs to remove any extra moisture. Then take dry paper towel to pull the silver skin on the back side of the rib and pull it right off. Take a pastry brush and brush yellow mustard all over one side of the rib and then sprinkle generously with the rub. Turn it over and do the same by brushing it with mustard and then covering it with more of the rub. Place them in a Dutch oven lined with foil and bake at 325 for about 1.5 to 2 hours, and then once they're ready, remove from the Dutch oven very carefully, place on a baking sheet pan, brush them with your favorite barbecue sauce, making sure it goes on nice and thick, and then under the broiler it goes just to caramelize the barbecue sauce. You're gonna absolutely love these, so make sure to get the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.